station set. Got the trailer hooked up. Going to add a new Yamaha to my Yamaha collection, you would say. It's not really collection. But I'm heading there now. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm excited. Fuck yeah. Sled looks nice. Everything looks mint. He wants pretty good. It's a pretty good deal. So yeah, kangaroo. Look at the construction, eh? Holy! All this rock needs to be moved. So I'm on my way back. Sled's in pretty good shape. It's got 4,900 kilometers on it. Pretty decent shape. I guess the clutch blew, so the cab has a little bit of damage on it, but nothing you can see on the outside. It's all in the inside, so it's not too bad. But oh, for the price, can't go wrong. Well, I was driving down the highway. Notice how you can see the sled now? Tarp flew off. But managed to go get it. Look at that. It's the color of my blood. Damn. Here's the sled. I ended up coming back pretty late, so I wasn't able to record it. But this is the next day. Pretty good shape. Now that I have it here, I see a couple of little flaws there but
got a good deal.
For $2,000, no, can't really say much, I guess. Bumper's been smashed here. I'm gonna fix that. Look at that thing though. Damn. Nice shocks on her. Motor's in pretty good, it's pretty clean. Those pipes, man, my God. I already took off the clutch. I'm actually gonna take apart the whole motor. I want to check the crank and make sure the crank's good. When I was buying it, I never noticed that that's a new cylinder. I don't know how I didn't see it. Too bad my brother didn't come because he noticed it right away. But now I gotta look, see if it's all done right and that. This little bolt's stripped. Bunch of little stupid stuff. This is the clutch. Pretty sure that's not normal. looks like it's just not tight enough though. But yeah, and figure that out. So I guess I'll be making some YouTube videos of how to do an engine, how to take apart the engine and put it back together. Track's in good shape too. Should be fun. Almost died. So apparently I got a good deal.
The spark plugs look brand new though.
They're brand new.
Nice.
Really? Really?
Going the wrong way.
Am I? That lefty loosey, righty tighty. No, I'm going the right way.
You moved the track. Felt it.
Nice sled, buddy. Holy shit!
That's tight, eh? Doing good.
Well, I have a problem. The air disease came in me. That consists of taking shit apart. So the motor's on my bench. We strip it. Make sure everything's good. But I'm telling you, man, these triples is triple the work. I'll show you how it goes, I guess. It's pretty dirty in here too. Yeah. Another bolt. Like this power valve's all the way in. This one's not. This one has a big ass gouge in it. Like you gotta fix that, man. You can't just leave gouges and shit.
I'd call him and ask him if he's dirty.
So this is why I take it apart. I knew something was going on here. So I've took off the power valves. Took the exhaust off. Now I'm about to take off the mounts. Yeah. Really disappointed though, like come on. Like really? But it is what it is, man. Live and you learn. I'll fix it and yeah. I took off the side cover, took off this plate. I'm about to take off this bolt. Take off this. Well, I took the cylinders off. All the cylinders are nice and beautiful. Pistons are all nice. But like there's some kind of water damage going on here, man. Like look at this stuff. You have to clean everything beautifully and hopefully that solves the problem. Yeah. Like this is so fresh. It's insane. So I removed the crank bolts. Ready to lift it. Well, I ordered all my parts. Everything came in. Everything came in within 2 days. But Yamaha parts, all the bolts. I contacted these guys. Mint Toys. Called them up, needed some parts. I went on eBay, couldn't find no heads. Called all kinds of people, no heads, no heads. Called these guys, they had exactly what I needed. Awesome. Said they were mint, and they're mint. Now I'm ready to put everything back together.